Does chunky sneakers matter to you if it provided you with all-day comfort? Well, in this video, we will be reviewing one of those chunky sneakers from Newbalance called the 9060s. Stay till the end to find out whether or not I think it's worth your money. The 9060 is Newbalance's way of attracting sneakerheads who likes the iconic 990s but would like to have more of a statement sneaker that will turn people's heads. This sneaker was heavily inspired by the Y2K era's tech aesthetic. To me, the most exciting part besides the overall design is the colorways that had came out for the 9060s thus far. There were limited ones from collabs with Joe Fresh Goods called Penny Cookie Pink and Baby Shower Blue. General releases also had some really great colorways such as Sea Salt and Mindful Gray with Surf. The colorway we will be reviewing today is the Natural Indigo. The 9060s has a logo jewel right on the tongue, and this small design detail really brings back some vintage technology graphic design vibes. Now, if you have watched my videos before, you would know that I always prioritize comfort features over anything else. But before we get into that, here are some facts. This shoe costs about $170 Canadian or $150 USD. Due to the large toe box it borrows from the 990 series, this shoe fits better half size down from true to size. The sizing was also made with unisex options in mind. The materials used to build this shoe are mesh upper, pigskin suede, and a plastic translucent heel counter for the rear. Now into the comfort technology. The technology implemented into this shoe is the dual density Absorb with SBS cushioning midsole, and the insole also features a cork-like material. The midsole cushioning itself is dual density. The top portion is very squishy, which I believe is the SBS cushioning, and it feels very much like a gel. Whereas the bottom half of the shoe is where the pods are is Absorb, which gives you less impact forces when striking down on your feet. The overall feeling you get in this sneaker is the coziness of the support that wraps all around your feet. In comparison, it feels nothing like Adidas Boost, and it feels a bit more like a flexible ALPHABOUNCE cushioning. When I put these on, I immediately knew that these were already superior in comfort than the 990 V5s. I know I will get flamed for it, but that's okay. Though this type of cushioning is definitely better for on the go and standing around for a moment, it isn't necessarily the best type of shoe for standing in one spot for a long time. The shoe's upper is also not incredibly interesting in terms of comfort, and it also isn't as padded in foam cushioning as it is on a 990 V5, though it does feel breathable and has a lot of wiggle room for your toes. The toe box shape is rounded and it feels like a foot-shaped shoe as opposed to a narrow-shaped one. My thoughts are, if you're looking for a fashion statement sneaker that will give you all-day comfort for an affordable price, then this is a fantastic choice. Because you watched my video thus far, you must like my content, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and drop a hey or hello in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. This has been BillyVisuals. Y'all just got visualized, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.